Hello guys, it's another lazy summer day for me and I decided to get busy. Instead of tinkering on our phones, let's do something new. By using our fingers, let's make some miniature clay designs. So let's start. We begin by, of course, buying our main material, which is a set of modeling clay. You can buy the ready-made ones and choose from the cheapest to the most expensive. Just make sure they are safe and non-toxic. The more expensive ones are finer and have better molding quality. This activity is definitely entertaining but not straining to the eyes or the mind. In fact, it can be relaxed as it will allow you to flex your fingers and your output can really be amazing. And that's all for today guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and push that notification bell for my upcoming videos in the future. See you guys next time. Bye!